I'm going to show you how you can get free stuff on Temu. Now, all you have to do is that you have to click on the link on the description or on the pinned comments down below. Now, once you click on that link, you'll be headed to this page right here, right? Now, you might get something different that you're getting free at. For example, for me, I'm getting a 12-piece non-stick felt pan protectors that's scratch resistant, cookware separators reusable as well. Now, you can see it used to cost 15 around Canadian dollars, 15 Canadian dollars here. But for me, I get to have it for free because I clicked on the link, right? But of course, you need to write the fine print as well because it's only for app users and it's also only with qualifying orders, right? So you need to be a new app user and then you need to buy a couple of stuff first before you can actually get this for free as well. If you want to learn more of the fine print, you can tap on the terms and conditions here. You see it's last updated here. Make sure you read all of the terms and conditions, the fine print, to actually make sure that you're getting it for free and no misunderstanding occurs. But again, that's it. All you have to do is that you have to click on the link on the comment down below or on the description as well, and then you can get your free product on Temu.